Hi friends! So I'm finally gonna do a garden update video. It's been forever. Here's a plane. These little cucumbers. They're shaped like this because they were supposed to, spiderweb. They were supposed to just be pickled cucumbers. Bee! It's landing on me! I'm watering my vegetables and going back the fucking side. I water my garden the hood way. I don't have one of those cool garden watering sprinkler things because I'm not that fancy. These plants are hella thirsty. They look so sad. This is what they looked like yesterday too though, because I never remember to water them until it's already hot outside. I do holistic gardening, which means I just put the seeds in the dirt and whatever grew right there, grew right there. Those are little cucumbers. Those are my little tomatoes. I'm so proud. There was a red one. There was one red one yesterday. And I came out to water my garden and I saw that it was red and I ate it. So sorry that you didn't get to see it, but there's like a couple of orange ones. Ooh, and some yellow ones back there. Here. Orange and yellow. There's like a couple of other little green ones. There's a bunch of them. I don't know what's happening to my lettuce. It started off as regular lettuce, like it looked normal, and then that one is just super tall and I don't know what happened. And sorry that I'm like awkwardly blocking everything right now. It's the way that the sunshine is and the trees and everything, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with it. I don't know. My little zucchinis. So cute. That's a huge one. And there's like a little tiny little one starting. There's some medium-sized ones. I definitely didn't know that when I planted these that it would grow like this, like on top of the dirt, but in the dirt. I don't know, it's kind of like crazy looking. Looks cool though, but they're just like all over. Oh, this one's kind of sad. Oh no, there's a couple of little flowers and stuff on there. So yeah, it's just doing its thing, but seems to be doing it well. There's so many bees, holy shit. These are my little pumpkins. They also look really sad, but see, these ones in the middle are already starting to look better, and I just watered them, so they're probably just thirsty. But yeah, hopefully those turn into pumpkins soon. There's like little leaves and there's gonna be like little flowers that blossom soon, so then the bees can pollinate and make me pumpkins. This is some other really tall lettuce. Really excited about these tomatoes though. Like, please turn green. I mean red. Please turn red. I think my main issue is that I waited too long to plant everything when I first started, because like you're supposed to start in like February or like the beginning of March, and I literally didn't even start or like buy seeds until like the end of April, and I didn't plant anything until May, until I got like warm outside. So I feel like I already bought my seeds for next year. This year I got like a bunch of seeds. Maybe that's what I'll show you guys next. But yeah, so I'm hoping that next year I'm gonna start everything at like the end of February or like the first 2 weeks of March or something like that. So then at the end of March, when it's not like really snowing anymore or whatever, I can already have my little sprouts, like my little plants and stuff, and I can just plant everything like sooner. And then by this time next year, I'll be able to like have like full-size onions and potatoes and like corn and stuff that I can eat, because right now I just have zucchini and I'm like patiently waiting for my cucumbers to like grow all the way so we can have cucumbers. And I have a bunch of tomatoes, but they're only green right now, so that's like annoying. And it also probably hasn't been helping that I've been not watering my vegetables as often as I should, but like that's a lot to remember. Like, fuck, I gotta come out and, like, I already have to remind myself to drink a lot of water, so now I have to remind myself to give my plants water. Like, they're outside, so maybe it should rain soon. I don't know. How are all of the other plants alive? Adversity builds character, so holistic gardening. That's how I garden. You guys wanna see me sew outfits or pillows or things, I guess, or if there's something that you think that I should bake or cook, or something you'd like me to try, or a new recipe or anything like that, just hit me up, because I live in a bus and I'm here all day. Yeah, so let me know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video or don't. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you hate this video, give me a thumbs down. Like, that's fair. I feel like that's fair. So, yeah, have a good night. Well, day. Have a good, whatever time it is when you're watching this, have a good that. Bye.